North Korean leader Kim Jong-un supervised launch of 18 KN-25 ballistic missiles, demonstrating its willingness to launch preemptive strike against South Korean provocations. The KN-25 is short-range ballistic missile with range of 380 kilometers. U.S. Marine Corps has ordered 200 micro-tactical ground robots from Israel in a deal worth $30 million. The MTGR is lightweight, highly maneuverable unmanned system designed for surveillance, tactical maneuvers and dangerous explosive ordnance disposal missions. Airbus has signed collaborative agreement with Turkish manufacturer Titra to integrate its deck finder positioning system into Turkey's ALPIN unmanned helicopter. The positioning system will provide 3D image of its relative position, aiding in safe landings even in absence of satellite geolocation systems. Malaysian Special Forces recently added SF-21X all-terrain vehicle to bolster its operational capabilities. The SF-21X is used for deep reconnaissance missions in enemy territory and are also capable of supporting direct action operations.